Welcome again to my channel. Welcome to Gifted Computer Technology channel. To this morning, I'm going to show you importance of joining community forum on Fiverr. Are you a freelancer working on Fiverr? There's a reason why you need to join community forum. Oh yeah, let's go, let's verify, let's check community forum, let's check what is happening there. Then you need to join community forum. Many of you are saying that you don't have order, you are not getting order, your gig impression is going down, all this and that. There are many questions coming to my Facebook. How can I get order? How can I do this and that? Fiverr has blocked my account. All those things, you can get all your information here when you join Fiverr community. You can see these are my profile, these are my profile. You can see my banner, you can see people that are following me, you can see all the questions that I've entered on Fiverr. Now let's go to the general home and see the important. I will go to home on Fiverr forum. Now I will click on forum again. If you have not joined, you need to sign in, but me, I'm there already, so I will just click on, you can see them now. These are categories, so if you have a question on Fiverr, you can click on the Fiverr experience. So when you click on Fiverr experience, for instance, and I open it now, we see what is going to happen here. Fiverr experience, improve my gig. So these are the question category where you can ask question on how to improve your gig. This is your Fiverr gig. Then this one, your Fiverr experience. Let's click on this one first and see what will happen. For those of you are not getting chatting, people are not chatting you have not been getting order on your gig, these are areas where you can ask questions. And many top rated, many developers on Fiverr, those people that have gone higher, top rated, pro seller, they are here. All of them are here. You can ask questions and you can get answer immediately. You can see this one. This person asks a question regarding impression and click. So let's click on this one. 313 people have filled this person. Now when we click on this question, now let's see what will going to happen. So you can see now these people have already answered this person, they have already responded to this person question, and this is very good because at times you may need an urgent answer, and when you post it here within 30 minutes, definitely you will see somebody that will respond. And at times Fiverr community, Fiverr customer care, they might be busy. So that's one of the essence of this community. They create it for people that you can ask a question, you can gist with other people that have experience on Fiverr. You can ask them many things and they will answer you. Now for instance, you have a question, you can ask them like this Fiverr story, you can share your experience with them. You can see this one, achiever Fiverr level 1. You can see not respond, Fiverr get promoted. You can see all this. You can ask many questions here and people will respond to your question. You too, you can respond to your question. Even if you are in this community, there is a fee, there is a benefit for it because Fiverr will also be promoting your gig because you are participating in the community forum. Like somebody was celebrated on Fiverr. Let me show you on my Instagram. A lady was celebrated on Fiverr. Let me show you my Instagram account. A lady was celebrated. I think her name is Rally. Let's check her name on my Instagram now. How we check now? She was celebrated by Fiverr because she has been participating in Fiverr community for several years, and because of her response, let me click on Fiverr and see what I'm going to show you here now. See what is happening here. So the more you participate on Fiverr community, the more you get to know more people, the more you get to have more experience. You can ask questions, you can answer people, you'll be getting more badge. And this guy, you can see my badge. I am on 6 badge now, and when I have this 14 badge, I will go to higher, and this can even lead you to getting Fiverr choice badge. When you are delivering a good job and you are still in this community, Fiverr can give you a Fiverr choice badge. You can be seeing Fiverr choice badge on some people profile. Let me show you. For instance, let me click on writing and translation on Fiverr working area. Now let's click. For instance, let me check Christian. I'm a Christian. I write books on Fiverr. Christian book editor, for instance, Christian ebook. Let's search. So this is one of the this is another benefits. Let's search. You can see now this man, although this man is not online now, but they give him Fiverr choice and he's on number 1 because of this Fiverr choice that he has. So because he has been delivering a good job, he has been delivering good work to people, 5-star. All his work is 5-star. You can see he has 81 review. He has did 81 jobs and he has been doing a good job for people. So Fiverr giving a good give him this label, and this label will make the person to be number one, to be in the number one, the first page on Fiverr community, on Fiverr profile. So if you join this community, definitely you can also have it when you are delivering a good job and you are answering questions here, because Fiverr agent, they also monitor this account. Now let's go to the Instagram. Let me show you a lady that was celebrated by Fiverr yesterday. This is her name. Her name is Arile Japan, New York, from USA. Let's play. Let's see what happen. Let's play along. Let's see what will happen. Is it playing? Okay, I think it's just animation. It's just animation, no sound. No sound though. So it's just animation, but I just want to show you the importance of being in Fiverr community. You can be celebrated, your gig can go more higher. You can see she was celebrated. She shared her testimony on Fiverr yesterday on the Instagram. So that is it. You can be part of this community. So I urge you as a freelancer to join this community today and enjoy the benefits. All right, thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be dropping some hits and tips on how to grow on Fiverr, how to get order, how to receive order, and how to do all those things easily without having issue, without having reject order, how to communicate with customer, and all those things. I'm going to be dropping on this channel. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and share the video to your loved one. All right, thank you. See you next time.